So in today's video, we are going to be sublimating on these Amazon air fresheners. So they come in a big pack. They're 25 in a pack. There's 4 different shapes. So there's a circle, a square, a big rectangle that's kind of horizontal, and a rectangle that is vertical. They are about $12.99 for the 25 pack, and they come with a really big 50-inch rope for you to cut and tie on your air fresheners. So we're going to be trying these out for the first time. I haven't tried them out before, so today will be the first time we will be trying them out together. So let me know down below if you guys also try them out. And let's jump into the video, guys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about Cricut and sublimation. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump right in. Don't mind this. My previous project messed it up. If you've seen that video, go check it out. It's the one where I did the Amazon photo pillowcase. So this is how the air fresheners come. They come in 3 different sizes. There's a circle, 3 different sizes and shapes. There's a square. They all come with strings. And then there's a big old rectangle. And honestly, I don't know who would want this just hanging on their car mirror, but anyways, so we're gonna do all 3 just to try them out. We're gonna put your paper down so that we don't mess up our thing. And I didn't think about doing double-sided. I was just gonna do one side, but we should probably make them double-sided. So here are the designs I decided to go with. So I'm gonna do one photo, one colorful big design on here, and then another one for the square. These are the ones I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna cut these out. Okay, so I don't know if we gotta lint roll these, but maybe I will lint roll it just in case. So I'm gonna lint roll it. I did add bleeding, always add bleeding, so I'm gonna lint roll this side too. So lint roll both sides, because you're gonna be doing, we're just gonna make them double-sided. So lint roll both sides. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the other side, put it on, just making sure that the whole thing is covered. And then I'm gonna take my heat tape, tape it down. Probably just, oh no, I won't. I'm gonna cut off this edge. And I'm just gonna tape it from side to side. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that for all of them. We're just gonna tape them. Okay, so I might do one at a time, or at least I'll do this one by itself at first because this one's bigger. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to take our butcher paper, cover it. We're going to put our easy press 400 degrees for 60 seconds. We're going to lift it up. We're gonna flip it around. It's hot. Make sure you grab your heat gloves. It's hot. flip it around, and press the other side for the same amount of time. Okay, so we're gonna lift this one up. Cover it. And again, 400 degrees for 60 seconds. I'm gonna take our heat gloves. Okay, on to the square. Same thing. 400 degrees, 60 seconds. Okay, so apparently you have to cut your own size. It's not like they don't come pre-cut or anything like that. You have to literally cut it to the size that you want. So I'm gonna put it in. Okay, I'm gonna cut it like that for right now. It's too long. It probably is, but I wish it would come pre-cut, you know what I mean? Don't feel like you know. I wish it would come pre-cut because there's so many of them. Like, what if you accidentally cut them too big like these and then you're left with no string? So that's my take on that. So I have some fragrance here, and I'm just gonna put this onto it. I don't know how many drops I'm supposed to put. So I'm wondering if when it dries, if you won't be able to tell where I put it. Okay, so one, then I'm gonna hang it to dry. I'm just gonna add fragrance to all of them. And I got this fragrance at I think it was Michael's or Hobby Lobby, I can't remember. I think it was Michael's. We all go